So I finally got a chance to get behind the camera and film this with 2 different perspectives, so you get to see this. Michael's doing such a great job. I just stepped away quietly and filmed him. It's a glass bubble using green painter's tape and a bamboo skewer so that you could twirl.
Let's try it.
We are using isopropyl alcohol, that's what in the white eyedropper, and we're using alcohol inks from Piñata in the colors lime green, sangria, no, not the drink, brass, and golden yellow. My goal at the end of it, at least for my personal bubbles, were to make it look like stained glass. Blown glass, I guess. So I kept twirling as I was adding the colors. We both had different approaches. Michael painted some of his inks on and then did candy striped effects. Some things to know about alcohol inks before you start working with them is they work best on non-porous surfaces such as synthetic paper, UPO paper, ceramic, glass, porcelain, metals, vinyl, laminate, plastic. You get my drift. The other thing is they stain, so whatever it falls on, it is catching that color. I would suggest you wear gloves, which is what we're doing here. We also worked on top of a glass plate. That way, whatever falls off of the glass bubbles, we're going to get caught by the glass plate. I highly recommend that you be in a really well ventilated area. Windows open, blowing away from you, definitely not at you. If you're working indoors, wear a mask. You just don't want to breathe the fumes of this stuff. So when you land on this channel and you read the title as Naluka Photography, and then you hop on this video and wonder, what part of this exactly is photography?
See? It reacting with itself. You see how it's pulling to like sides?
Let me explain. For me personally, I need to step away from things, reset my mind, recalibrate things inside in order to come back inspired and jacked up to do what I do best. Definitely stepped away from a lot of things and taken a deep breather. Just living life. Because sometimes you just need to do that. Away from everything, everyone, and just live, do things to recalibrate and get back on track. So, which is where this comes in. Experimenting and playing and just having a little fun. Are you ready? With Squirreltainment Plus, you'll witness unfiltered antics with nature's funniest little performers, squirrels. Side effects may include bursting into uncontrollable laughter, sudden admiration for tiny woodland creatures, and, of course, an inexplicable urge to narrate their lives like a nature documentary.
Bully!
Ask your doctor if watching squirrels is right for you. Actually, don't. Just grab a seat at your nearest park and let the squirrels do the rest.
Oh, Bully, you're so cute!
Warning, prolonged exposure may lead to emotional attachment to your backyard squirrels. Please enjoy responsibly.
Our family motto is, let's give it a shot.
So, everything has been late this year, but hey,
Okie dokie, slowly.
better late than never, right? So cheers to that.
So it needs to go nothing further, because if it goes too low.
So in lieu of photography this year, which I do miss, just creating new things, honestly.
This will the back, and this will be the front.
You just gotta do what you gotta do to get back, right?
Go around, put a knot on it first.
And sometimes you don't come back the same way, and that's fine too, I think. I might not come back the same way.
Okay, don't over tighten it because you'll snap the brand.
At the moment, enjoying what I'm doing. Just playing to just play.
So the goal is to keep doing this.
Not to do anything in particular or advise anybody else on it, but just to play. So I'm sharing this stuff on this channel and
Keep cutting string.
what life is like behind the lens, which is what this is. A lot of playing and experimenting. So what do you do to recalibrate when you're off tune in whatever field you're in? Leave it in the comments. the strangest things inspire you to get back on track.
Oh boy. I could have just avoided that.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!